Financiers are small traditional French almond cakes made with brown butter, eggs, almond flour, and almond paste. They are known for their buttery, nutty flavor, moist interior, and slightly crisp exterior. Traditionally baked in small rectangular molds that resemble gold bars. Hi, I'm Chloe Hodgman, and I'm the pastry chef at The Girl and the Fig. The restaurant is located in Sonoma, California, and serves French country cuisine with an updated wine country twist.
Today, Chef Chloe is going to show you how to make Financiers, elevated with 2 different seasonal flavors, chai and Anjou pear. The first step is to make the almond cake batter for the Financiers. In a mixer bowl, add room temperature almond paste. Did you know almond paste is actually not marzipan? It's ground, blanched almonds, sugar, and some type of binder. It's rich, nutty, and subtly sweet with a coarse, dense, and moist texture. It adds a rich taste and mouthfeel to the Financiers. Add sugar, butter, and eggs, and mix well. Add the vanilla paste and almond flour. Using almond flour not only makes these little cakes gluten-free, but it gives them a moist, tender crumb, a rich, nutty flavor, and a delicate texture. You can go ahead and bake these traditional Financiers, or you can zhuzh them up a little by adding additional flavors. Almonds enhance and complement so many flavors. Chef Chloe incorporates notes of delight and surprise using chai, which is a blend of cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, nutmeg, and black pepper. The chai is such a cozy flavor profile and also goes well with the sweet nuttiness of almonds. The next flavor Chef Chloe is going to bake are plain Financiers topped with sliced Anjou pear. You could also add pear to the chai-spiced Financiers for another delicious flavor combination. Here we have Chef Chloe's finished baked Financiers. Beautiful golden Financiers with that perfect crisp edge and soft buttery center.
I hope this recipe encourages you to explore new ways of baking with almonds and discover creative twists that bring joy to your kitchen.